Let's learn how to enable dual apps option. If you want to use two Facebook accounts, two WhatsApp accounts or two Messenger accounts, we can enable dual application using this mobile default settings. Let's learn how to make two Facebook applications now. Go to mobile settings. Scroll down this page and click on advanced features option. In here you can see dual messenger option. Click on it. You can see your mobile already installed dual messenger supported applications in here. Now my mobile has Facebook application only, so I am going to enable this application. After, you can click on this install button and click on confirm. Now dual messenger application is installing. Second copy of Facebook installed. Let's check our installed application. Now I come to my home screen. This is my first Facebook application. This is my second Facebook application. In this method, you can install two messenger application, dual applications using A06 mobile default settings.